Welcome back. You're watching Newslink. Now, all four accused in the Hillary Gardee murder case returned to court today. It's to determine whether the trial will be heard in the High Court. Sipho Mkhatshwa, Philemon Lukele, Albert Gama and Hlabirwa Rasi Nkuna face charges of murder, rape and kidnapping. Gardee went missing, you'll remember, at the end of April, and her body was subsequently found a few days later near a road in Sabi outside Mbombela. Reporter Manqoba Mchunu is there and joins us for the very latest. A very good morning to you, Manqoba. And of course, everybody is wondering what's set to transpire in today's court proceedings, where the wheels of justice are going to actually start to move to bring the family of Hillary Gardee some form of closure when it comes to the brutal killing of their daughter.
Indeed, Rapor, and in fact, today we are expecting to hear whether or not this matter will move to the High Court. And of course, today will be largely procedural as far as proceedings are concerned, where the state is expected to get the ball rolling as far as the trial is concerned. So they are expected to also finalize the indictment. There is a charge sheet which, of course, will carry some of the charges that these accused are facing. We do know at this stage that they are facing charges of murder, rape, kidnapping, just to name a few, Rapor. And of course, you recall that this is the first time that the four accused will be appearing together in this particular case, given the fact that just one of them was arrested last month in August, and he's the fourth addition to this particular case. That is Rasi Nkuna, who we understand has also confessed to killing Hillary Gardee back in April. And of course, he will be joining the three other accused who have been before this court. But there are also other bail hearings that are happening in this matter. You'll know that the two other accused, that is Philemon Lukele as well as Albert Gama, are also busy with their bail applications. But those matters will not be heard today. It's just a procedure as far as getting prepared for a trial to start in this particular matter. But what we also do understand is that this fourth accused, has been linked to this case as far as shooting Hillary Gardee. We understand that he's believed to be the trigger man that pulled the trigger that ended her life. But in terms of what exactly went on, I think those are details that are still going to emerge in court. But what also has emerged during one of the bail hearings, Rapor, that happened here on Tuesday is details about the involvement of the two other gentlemen, that is Gama as well as Lukele, with the revelations that happened when one of the officers in this case who is investigating this particular case, Tamsanga Mkhalipi, had revealed in court that they have been linked as far as being seen by some of the witnesses moving Hillary Gardee's body. It's not sure at this point whether she was alive or whether she was dead, but putting her in a vehicle. And there were witnesses that saw this, so they have been linked as far as this case is concerned. But those details, of course, did emerge during the bail hearing. They're not going to be part of what is going to take place here today. But certainly we are expecting this particular case to start at 10 o'clock this morning.
Thank you very much. That is reporter Manqoba Mchunu giving us an update on what's set to take place in the case of Hillary Gardee, who you've just heard brutally murdered by the men alleged to have committed that crime. That's going to be heard in court today in terms of whether that matter moves to the High Court.